I'm here with Bellator Claims Resolution, and I'm here to talk to you about, wait for it, the denial of the day. Today's comes to us from Jason of Denver, Colorado. He says of the insurance company, avoid these people. They do not use the quote you pull online. So he went online, got a quote, put in his information. The rep who calls you creates their own policy with the overages and coverages that they get bonuses on. When you file a claim, they constantly change the requirements down to your need to inventory the levels of condiments in your refrigerator. They do not pay for anything if you do not use who they provide. And fraud. So he goes on to say how bad they are, but this is the deal. The insurance company cannot require you to use a contractor that they have. They cannot do that. It is usually in the policy that they can't do that, and they'll give you a disclosure. Hey, you can use whoever you want. You don't have to use who we provide, but here are the benefits of using the person that we provide. The biggest benefit they don't tell you about is the insurance company gets a huge discount because they send a volume number of claims to the said contractor, and the insurance company gets it reduced 10, 20, 30, I've heard as large as 40 cents on the dollar is what the insurance company gets charged versus a retail consumer, because that contractor, in essence, works for the insurance company. So the question is, who do you want working on your property? Somebody that's getting the retail rate of what they should be getting paid, or somebody that's giving a 40% discount to the insurance company to get more work from them? I'll tell you who I want working for me is somebody that's actually getting paid what they're worth to get the job done at a legitimate price. Now, does that mean the cheapest price? The insurance company sure wants it to be the cheapest price. They have a software company called Exactware or Exactimate that prices everything at the 50% mark. The insurance company forgets this. They say, well, I can find somebody to do it less expensive. Well, great. I can find somebody to do it for more expensive. Like, you want to play that game? But this is the deal. You don't have to use who they provide. And the flip side of that is, do insurance companies actually bonus their employees for what they sell you as a consumer? Yes, this is America. That's how the insurance agents make money, right? They get paid a commission on what they sell you. The more they sell you, the more money they make. Now, most insurance agents will be fair and do truly have your best interest at heart, but just like any other company or industry, there's those ones that just want to get paid. So you have to make sure you are doing your due diligence, you're working with somebody that you trust, and they're getting you what you need, because ultimately it comes back to what you need, what you're paying for, how much you're paying, not what the insurance company wants for you. And if they're trying to push something on you, find a different insurance company. Find somebody that's gonna work out and look out for your best interest, because ultimately that's all that matters. The cheapest policy is usually not the best. Let me repeat myself. Yes, they make commission on selling you more. However, don't go with the cheapest policy. Never, I can say this, never have I seen the least expensive policy be the best coverage for the client that I'm working with. I'll give you a quick example. In a city where we work in northern Colorado, a lady sent me a copy of her policy and didn't realize after 10 years, her policy for her roof coverage converts to what's called an actual cash value policy versus a replacement cost. Now, I'm not gonna get too deep into that, but I'll give you an example. She should have gotten about $24,000 for her new roof, which would have paid for her roof with upgrades, okay, inside the policy. However, because her roof was over 10 years old, it had converted to what's called an actual cash value policy, which now only paid about $6,800 for her roof. 24,000, 6,800, which one would you rather have? And it's, I'm guessing, less than $20 per month more for the coverage that she really wanted. What's that difference, right? How many months of $20 a month will it take to make up the difference between $6,800 that you're gonna get for the roof now versus the 24 grand that you should have gotten because you thought you had the coverage that you needed? So, when you need help, before you make a claim even, Okay? People hire us before claims are made to navigate them through this ridiculously confusing policy and process, especially on commercial claims. They hire us up front to navigate them. Instead of trying to save a sinking ship, I'd rather guide the ship safely through the process to get the best result for my client. So contact us today, bellatorclaims.com. Contact us sooner than later.